Hello everyone. We will talk today about integrated project delivery. Our group consists of 5 students and this project submitted to Dr. Ahmad Al-Ansari. Starting with agenda today, we will talking at first to introduction, then we will talking about issue facing construction industry, especially traditional way. Then we will talking about IBD definition and features. Then we will talking about benefits. Finally, we will close with conclusion. I hope you will enjoy this content and let's start. Introduction. Construction project involve several complex stages and require clear relationship between different parties in order to accomplish successful and meet all the needed scopes. So the traditional project delivery faces fundamental issue affecting the smooth of the flow of the construction project. This issue increased the need for a new approach, eliminating barriers between parties and enhancing information flow. This is what we called IBD. IBD achieved by signing single multi-party agreement which ensure shared risks and reward. Let's repeat it again. Shared risks and reward. IBD system and its features show that it has many benefits which can provide a good mitigation for issue affecting construction project. The construction industry included many inexpert clients and is traditionally driven by separating design and construction organization. Also, integration project delivery (IBD) develops clear relation between parties and is a base for ensure collaboration between them, whether they are members or organization. So the main key word here is collaboration and smooth flow and shared risk and reward. Now let's talk about issue facing construction industry. First, we will start with project delay. Then we will talking about constructability. Third, we will talking about cost overrun. Finally, we will talk about variation in the next slide. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Ella. The issues facing the construction industry include project delays. They are divided into two categories, critical and non-critical, based on whether they affect the total project schedule or not. Delays are also excusable and inexcusable, based on the cause of delay, whether it is the contractor or unpredictable events. Constructability is the optimum use of construction knowledge and experience in planning, design, procurement, and field operations to achieve the project objectives. Improving this issue means that the project performance is expected to improve. Construction process becomes easier and the overall project duration can be decreased, leading to noticeable savings. Cost overruns. They can be grouped into three categories: technical challenges, over-optimism, and strategic misrepresentation. Variations are usually happening because of the separation of design and construction phases, which causes the designer to neglect the economic impacts of the design implementation. This increases the variation orders throughout the project. IPD can be defined in several ways. One of these definitions was by Wilson in 2014, which is it is a project delivery approach that integrates people, systems, business structures, and practices into a process that collaboratively harnesses the talents and insights of all participants to optimize project results, increase the value to the owner, reduce waste, and maximize efficiency through all phases of the design, fabrication, and construction. It requires defining several components. They are a multi-party agreement, a team structure, and the role of information technology. The multi-party agreement is the form of contract that identifies the parties' duties, obligations, liabilities, and rights. The most efficient teams are neither very small, under 4 or 5, nor very large, which is over a dozen. Since small teams lack the benefit of diversity of views and large teams face difficulties in information transfer. The role of information technology will be discussed in the coming slides related to BIM.
My name is Islam Ashraf. I will talk about integrated project delivery feature. First, the traditional system is characterized by lack collaboration of team members, which is one of the main components that build up the concept of IBD. IBD system has five main features. The first one is early collaboration. The project delivery's quality is improved and well developed when the owner, architecture, contractor, subcontractor, consultants, and supplier integrate their expertise early on during the project lifecycle, which minimize waste and improve quality. The second main feature is the Last Planner system, which was developed as a production planning and control system to assist projects in smoothing variability in construction workflow, which reduce waste. The third main feature is the pain-gain share agreement. The team's risk and benefits are shared, so there is no need for keeping back information from one another as all try to add value to the owner. The fourth main feature is integrated leadership, which can be moved from one person to another since it has a dynamic nature. The optimization of design and construction is way more enhanced due to the empowerment of the team. The fifth main feature is collaboration software, such as Building Information Model, which is a digital representation of physical and functional properties. It is used in IBD as tool to ease the transfer of information and knowledge. There are two examples of being-in agreement feature, such as multi-party contract. Multi-party agreement is a contractual method of IBD which involves all parties in one contract. Other traditional methods use one contract for each entity. Requisites of IBD agreement: all team members are committed on the project team goals and values. The leadership is taken by the team member who is more capable with regard to specific work and service.
Hello, my name is Alia. IPD has some benefits. First one is cost reduction. It can reduce cost by 2 to 10% for the first project and up to 30% after series of projects. Second is time reduction. IPD can reduce about 45% of the time needed for structural design phase. It can improve quality of both design and construction, and it can reduce waste and produce higher profitability. One of the benefits is the big room. It's a concept can be utilized to ease the process where all key project parties, including the client, working in the same room to define sustainability, time, and cost goals for the project. IPD benefits for entities. IPD benefits for owners. It allows owners to efficiently balance project options to meet their business enterprise goals. As it strengthens the team members' understanding of the owner's desired outcomes, thus improving team's ability to control costs and manage budgeting, which result in increasing the probability that project aims such as life cycle costing, quality, schedule, and sustainability will be achieved successfully. Benefits for constructors: collaborating their expertise in earlier stages in the project, such as the design phase of the project, results in improved project quality and better financial performance. Also provides the chance for strong pre-construction planning and more informed understanding of the design. Benefits for the designers: early contribution of designers will be beneficial for the collaboration nature of the project, which result in accurate budget estimates and the pre-construction resolution of any issues related to the design, which in return produces improved quality of the project and better financial performance.
Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Abaza. I'm going to talk about BIM as an IBD tool. As my colleague mentioned before, that IBD needs early collaboration to minimize future waste and unpredictable problems as constructability issues. So we need collaboration softwares to implement BIM technology as Revit, Tekla, or Synchro, or any other software you can deal with it. Using BIM, we can achieve early involvement of owners, designers, and contractors, as designers can show their 3D models to owners and contractors and negotiate about the problems and the values the owners need. Also, we can simulate cost, time, energy. This will reduce the number of RFIs in construction phase. So we can add value using IBD and BIM to shift the change order from construction phase to the design phase. As we see in the figures, the cost of a change are very high at the construction phase, more than design phase. So we can save the project time and cost and take the change order at the design phase. The conclusion for this paper is the construction facing a lot of challenges due to traditional methods of delivery. So it necessitates the existing of new methods as IBD, which we can use multi-party agreement as a single contract for all entities. We can share risk, we can share bonus. Multi-party agreement will turn all parties to one group with defined goals. Also, we can say that BIM is a very successful tool for implementing IBD in construction projects. For watching.